You know, we've got some old laws. And do you know old laws are as good as new laws, folks? Some of you get into a panic when we start throwing around old laws. It's okay. Don't panic. Old laws are still good. They're some of the best laws, quite honestly. And I want to go all the way back to our oldest law, the Constitution. And it says, we the people, in the Second Amendment to that very old law, very old document, the Second Amendment to that says, we the people have the right to bear arms. Now, the problem here is a lot of you have asked me, John, I've been convicted of a felony here in Florida, but I want my right to bear arms back. And I want to tell you, you can get that back. There is a way to get your right to bear arms back. It's not easy and it's not quick. First of all, we call it executive clemency. So the Board of Clemency up in Tallahassee, you have to make an application to get your gun rights back. And you have to wait. You can't even make the application until 8 years has passed since the end of your felony conviction sentence. Another thing, you gotta have a clean record from 8 years towards the end of the sentence till today. Don't get a misdemeanor driving on a suspended license. That cuts you off, folks. Got to be clean for 8 years. Once you make that application, a rather in-depth probing application, expect to wait many years. This is a marathon. This is not a sprint. I do not handle clemency issues. You will need a clemency lawyer. Some of you want to do this yourself and then you complain about how long it takes. I suggest you get a lawyer to handle this. The best clemency lawyers, no offense to most of you who do this, are in Tallahassee, where the clemency department of the governor's office is located. Another thing to consider is the changing laws, which I've done videos on. We have things changing very quickly for non-violent felony offenders. For you non-violent offenders, maybe there will be a quicker path coming up through what's trickling down through the court system. Right now, it isn't happening, but I see it on the horizon. I will keep you posted on that. But for now, the way you're going to get your gun rights back in Florida, if you've been convicted of a felony, you got to go through the clemency process. It will take a very, very long time. Be patient, and I wish you luck with this process.